Heading outdoors demands gear that protects essentials from water, sand, and sudden storms while staying lightweight and reliable. Top 5 best dry bag choices keep phones, clothes, and documents safe during kayaking, hiking, travel, and everyday adventures. Explore durability, capacity, and value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. OSH DRYPAC Dry Bag. The OSH DRYPAC Dry Bag is designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts who need uncompromising waterproof protection combined with comfort and smart organization. Built from rugged 500D PVC material and reinforced with high-frequency welded seams, this dry bag backpack offers reliable defense against rain, splashes, river crossings, and demanding water sports. The roll-top closure creates a tight seal that keeps your gear dry even in unpredictable weather conditions. What truly sets the OSH DRYPAC apart is its comfort-focused design. Ergonomic shoulder straps, breathable back padding, and an adjustable chest strap help distribute weight evenly, making it suitable for long hikes and extended travel. The inclusion of a safety whistle on the chest strap adds an extra layer of security for remote adventures. Storage versatility is another major strength. Inner zip pockets, side mesh bottle holders, a splash-proof front pocket, and elastic bungee cords allow easy organization of essentials like clothes, electronics, snacks, and accessories. Thoughtful, adventure-ready details such as reflective strips for night visibility, D-rings, carabiner hooks, and durable buckle straps enhance overall usability. Available in large 35L, 55L, and 85L capacities, this dry bag can handle anything from short day trips to multi-day expeditions. Whether you're kayaking, motorcycling, camping, or traveling, the OSH DRYPAC Dry Bag delivers durability, safety, and comfort in one well-built, waterproof backpack. Number 2. Piscifun Dry Bag. The Piscifun Dry Bag is a versatile and durable waterproof solution designed for outdoor lovers who want reliable protection without sacrificing convenience. Constructed from heavy-duty 500D PVC material, this dry bag is built to withstand rough environments while keeping your valuables safe from water, sand, and dirt. Its fully welded seams create a strong waterproof seal, making it suitable for activities like kayaking, rafting, fishing, and beach outings. One of the standout features is the included IPX8 waterproof phone case, which fits phones up to 6.5 inches and allows touchscreen use even during water activities. This added accessory makes the Piscifun Dry Bag especially appealing for travelers and adventurers who rely on their phones for navigation, photos, or emergency communication. The bag's user-friendly design includes adjustable shoulder straps that provide stability and comfort while wearing it, even during active movement. An outer mesh pocket offers quick access to items that don't require waterproof protection, such as water bottles or sunscreen. Another advantage is its buoyant design. When rolled and buckled properly, the bag floats on water, making it easy to spot and retrieve if dropped. This feature is particularly useful during boating or paddle sports. Highly multifunctional, the Piscifun Dry Bag is suitable for camping, hiking, skiing, snowboarding, and boating, making it a reliable all-season companion. Overall, it offers excellent durability, thoughtful accessories, and practical performance for outdoor adventures of all kinds. Number 3. Eutopic Dry Bag. The Eutopic Dry Bag is a lightweight yet dependable waterproof storage option ideal for travelers and outdoor adventurers who value simplicity and efficiency. Built using professional, seamless waterproof technology, this dry bag effectively keeps your valuables dry during activities such as kayaking, boating, and camping. While it can handle accidental submersion, it's best suited for surface-level water exposure, making it perfect for most recreational water sports. Durability is a key highlight of the Eutopic Dry Bag. Made from wear-resistant PVC material, it features a thicker 0.6 mm base for added strength and stability, while the 0.3 mm sides maintain flexibility and reduce overall weight. This balance makes the bag comfortable to carry for long periods and easy to clean after use. The rectangular base design allows for more efficient packing, helping you organize gear neatly while maximizing interior space. Another thoughtful detail is its dirt-resistant bottom, which keeps the bag cleaner when placed on wet or muddy surfaces. The Eutopic Dry Bag truly shines in versatility, as it adapts well to hiking, backpacking, cycling tours, travel, and general outdoor use. Its compact and foldable nature makes it especially travel-friendly, allowing it to fit easily into luggage or backpacks when not in use. For users seeking a straightforward, reliable, and portable waterproof bag without unnecessary bulk, the Eutopic Dry Bag is a practical and dependable choice. Number 4. Earth Pak Dry Bag. The Earth Pak Dry Bag has earned its reputation as a top-rated waterproof bag, even receiving recognition from the New York Times Wirecutter as one of the best dry bags available. Designed with a classic roll-top closure, it provides dependable waterproof protection while remaining lightweight and easy to use. Earth Pak's commitment to quality is reinforced by a generous 5-year warranty, offering long-term peace of mind for buyers. One of the brand's strengths is its wide range of sizes and carrying options. Smaller 10L and 20L models include a single adjustable shoulder strap, while larger 30L, 40L, and 55L versions feature backpack-style straps with a sternum strap for added stability. The 55L model also includes a heavy-duty waist belt to better support heavier loads. Another valuable inclusion is the IPX8 certified waterproof phone case, which fits phones up to 6.5 inches and allows underwater photos through its dual clear window design. This makes Earth Pak especially appealing for beach trips, kayaking, and travel photography. The dry bag is highly packable, folding down easily for storage in luggage or backpacks. With size options ranging from 5L to 55L, it suits everything from quick day trips to extended outdoor adventures. Overall, the Earth Pak Dry Bag combines reliability, thoughtful design, and excellent value, making it a trusted choice for both beginners and experienced outdoor enthusiasts. Number 5. Unigear Dry Bag. The Unigear Dry Bag is built for users who demand strong waterproof protection and long-lasting durability across a wide range of outdoor activities. Made from stiff 500D PVC material and secured with a roll-top closure, this dry bag effectively shields valuables like phones, cameras, clothes, and documents from water, sand, and dust. Its fully welded seams, created using high-frequency technology, enhance leak resistance and overall strength, making it suitable for boating, fishing, swimming, and hiking. Comfort and versatility are key aspects of the Unigear design. Smaller sizes feature a single adjustable strap, while larger 30L and 40L models come with dual shoulder straps for backpack-style carrying. Reinforced D-rings with double stitching ensure durability even when carrying heavy loads. The bag is designed to float on water when sealed properly, offering added security during river trips or water sports. Unigear also upgrades its buckles and D-rings with strong POM material, reducing the risk of breakage during frequent use. This attention to detail enhances reliability in demanding environments. Another advantage is the brand's responsive after-sales service, providing support if any quality issues arise. Available in multiple sizes to suit different needs, the Unigear Dry Bag is a dependable option for outdoor enthusiasts seeking rugged performance, flexible carrying options, and peace of mind on every adventure.